Hello students, today we will learn more about friction. So let's start. Friction is a force that resists motion whenever two surfaces are in contact. When the surface is smooth, the object moves easily, whereas on the rough surface, objects do not move easily. We need friction between shoes and ice to walk on it. We need friction between hand and lid of the jar to open it. We need friction between hands and handle of the bicycle to hold it firmly. We need friction between the shoes and pedal of the bicycle to pedal it. And you need no friction between you and the slide to enjoy the ride. You need no friction between the striker and the board to play. You need no friction between ball and the surface for bowling. Now let's learn advantages of friction. Friction is very important while driving a car. Without it, a car would skid off the road. On a dry road, there is a lot of friction between the car tires and the rough road surface. In winters, there is snow or ice on the road. That makes the surface of the road very smooth, and there is little friction between the tires and the road, because of which the tires may slip off the road. This is why we need winter tires. Winter tires have special grooves to increase the friction in snowy and icy conditions. Friction also produces heat when we rub our hands. It produces heat which warms our hands. Friction between our shoes and road helps us to walk. Without friction, we will slip or fall. Advantages of friction. Friction prevents tires from skidding off the road because wheels need friction to have grip on road and move forward. This is the reason tires have grooves to produce sufficient friction. Now let's learn disadvantages of friction. Friction makes it difficult to slide heavy objects on the floor. Every machine has several parts that move together or rub against each other, because of which a lot of heat is produced in machines and damages the machine. Friction causes damage to tires of vehicles. It also damages soles of the shoes and many other things. So friction causes wear and tear. So now let us learn how to reduce friction when we do not need friction. Lubricating oil is applied on moving parts of machine that move over one another. This smoothens their surfaces and reduces the friction between them. Fine powder can be used to reduce the friction. That's why children, before playing carom board, we sprinkle powder on the board to make the surface smooth. So students, now you know what is friction and what are the advantages and disadvantages of friction. Thank you students.